Hi, boys and girls. This is how to edit a sentence like a detective. We're going to be using our detective skills to figure out how to fix some broken sentences. Let's take a look. First of all, what does a correct sentence have? Well, let's think about that. A correct sentence has uppercase letter in the right spot. Like this T in the word the is a big T because he's the first letter of a sentence. Then if you look at all the other letters, they are lowercase. A correct sentence also has finger spaces. We want to make sure we have spaces between our words so they don't all run on together. And the last thing is the ending mark. We need to make sure our sentence is complete with an ending mark. And you might ask, do we have to write our letters like tall, small, fall? Yes. If you need help, make sure you look at your alphabet to make sure your letters are perfectly between the lines. Now let's look at some examples. Look at this sentence I saw. I see quite a few mistakes. So we're going to think, how can we use our detective skills to fix this sentence? I spy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things wrong. It's so funny looking, it's almost hard to read. But the sentence says, the girl looks both ways. Let's see how we can fix this, though, to make it look right. All right, so here's our lines, and here's our sentence. I have highlighted all the mistakes that I saw. I saw that this T was not uppercase, and it was the first letter in our sentence. I also saw this R. He was uppercase right in the middle. This S, this T, and this S were all big letters in the middle of my sentence, so those all need to be fixed. And at the very end, I don't see a period, so we're going to have to fix that too. Now let's see, how can we write this on our own? So don't worry, I did it for you guys. Watch how I fixed this sentence. The, with my perfect uppercase T. Girl, I fixed the R. Looks, I fixed the S. Both, I fixed the T. Ways, I fixed the S, and I put my ending mark. Now let me see, do I have all 3 things I need for a good sentence? Uppercase, finger spaces, and ending mark. Yep, it looks pretty good. And all my letters are perfect, tall, small, fall. We did it! Thanks, boys and girls, for your detective skills.